Well, the ice finally melted off, and I'm here with Kayak and Mike and the boys, sponsored by Hooked Up Baits, Crawdog Custom Jigs, Gambler Lures, Woo Tungsten, Bass Dynasty, and River King Incorporated. Here's a Kayak Wars pose. That's it. My new Kayak Wars teammate. 2018. Well, I just got a really big striper out here at Texoma, and it doesn't even hardly fit in my net, and I couldn't lift him up. It's a really good fight. So I'm gonna try to get out, take some photos. Yeah, I just caught the striper. I'm not gonna tell you what I caught him on. He's over 30 inches. He's probably like, see, like 33, 34. He's about 2 inches shy of a trophy striper. Recording. Okay. Alright, do a video.
That is video.
Lake Texoma.
Start over.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Out here at Lake Texoma with Bass Dynasty, Lip Rippers, Crawdog Custom Jigs, Gambler Lures, Yak Bros Fishing. We're gonna release him. He's just 2 inches shy of a trophy. He's like 33, 32 inches. There he goes. See if he comes right next to you. Yeah, he went straight down.
Yeah. Damn, I can't get over this water. How glass smooth it is. Was you getting my picture?
Yeah, you got a smock, right?
Yeah, let all that smoke go away.
Oh, you got a smock.
Huh?
A smock vapor?
Yeah.
So I'm here at the lake. I was gonna do the January tournament for East Texas Kayak, and I'm here at my favorite lake, and there's a problem. I'm in Texas, and this lake is completely iced over.
It's just not gonna work. There's no way I can fish. So I finally got my kayak on the water. The ice has broken up some, it's not completely frozen over. So I'm out here in the Stormtrooper hoodie. You can also call me the Bass Trooper. I'm gonna try to free all the big bass from ice captivity. We're gonna use the kayak to break up the ice some. Alright, let's do it. So I can do it right there. The ice is actually moving.